everyone, welcome to the Handmade Homestead and Garden. I'm Angela Allen, and my husband Mike and I are a retired couple living on the east coast of the United States, Zone 7A, and we are small backyard urban homesteaders. We are here to show people that no matter your age, your income level, your current status, your current skills, your yard size, or even if you have no yard at all, you can grow food. You can micro homestead wherever you are. If you have a closet and a grow light, you can do this. We have ourselves and one adult child living in our household too, and we save thousands of dollars a year on our small family food budget just by growing in our backyard and surrounding gardens in a very urban setting in town in Rhode Island on Aquidneck Island. If you're new here, we are so glad to meet you. If you're a regular, thanks for coming back. We always appreciate your support. So come along and let us show you how you can grow food and save money and meet your budget and have some sense of self-sustainability on any size land or no land at all, just by sowing a few seeds, turning on a light, adding a little water, and harvesting food for your table. Let's go.